Good evening, my friends. My name is Vilas Sauragopal. Today's date is 12 February 2024. Today's my topic name is thread life cycle in Java. In Java, thread refers to the single sequence of flow of control within the programs. It is the lightweight process, allowing to multiple threads to execute the concurrent within the single Java virtual machines. Thread enable the developers to write the concurrent and parallel programs, which can improve the performance, responsiveness, and resources utilizations. Thread in Java are such instance of Java.lang threads. Thread class, or they can be instance of the classes that implement the Java.lang runnable interface. Threads created by the extending the threads class must be override and runs. Method which contain the code executed by the threads created by implementing the runnable interface and must provide the implementation for the run methods in the class that implements the interface. In Java, a thread lifecycle consists of several states through the which it transition during its execution. Those states are defined by the thread class and managed by the Java virtual machines. The lifecycle state are the threads in Java. First is the new state. When a thread is created, it is the new state. And the thread object has been created, but the methods the thread start methods has not been invoked yet. Next is a runnable. After calling the start method on the thread object, the thread becomes the runnable. It means that the thread is ready to run, but it is a scheduler has not selected it is to be running thread yet. There are no guarantee about when exactly it will start the runnings. Next is the blockade and waiting state. When the threads scheduler select the threads to the run, it enter the running state. In this state, the thread code is being executed. Block and waiting. The thread can enter the block of waiting state due to several reasons. It could be waiting for input output operation to complete, waiting for another threads to release in lock, or exactly waiting for invoking methods like object.waits, thread sleep its. Next is the time and waiting state. Thread can also enter in time waiting state by calling the methods like thread.sleep or object.wait timeout. This is in this state, time thread wait for the specified amount of the time before transitioning back to the runnable state. Next is a terminated. A thread can enter the terminated state when it is completed its executions or exactly by the calling thread dot stop. All through this method is dispatched on the thread is terminated. It cannot be restarted. A thread can transition between those states based on the factor such as scheduler policies, synchronizations, and explicitly call to the method that affect thread execution. Proper understanding and management of the thread's lifecycle are essential for waitings, concurrent, and multi-threaded application in Java. Java threads are all state execution are completed it and run the concurrent multi-threaded application in Java. Thank you.